Threaded equals true Flask larger application file structure. I recently created a web app and used the suggested file structuring from Flask for separating views in different files. See here, this URL. But I also need to have the threaded parameter set to true, which I would usually do at app.runThreaded equals true stage of testing. But I now run the app a different way. I tried putting threaded equals true into my setup.py, and that didn't do anything and was wondering how to get this working.
Just tell the Flask run command to use threads. Don't put this decision in your code. It is up to your WSGI server to run with threads or not. You can see what options Flask run accepts with Flask run help.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.